Ano ang sabi? Today, let's talk about one of the most elegant mid-size SUVs that the market has to offer. Anong meron sa kanya para kayanin na sumabay sa mga diesel counterparts niya? Ito po ang 2025 GAC GS8. Let's go! Kung di pa po kayo nagsasubscribe sa channel ko, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. When you talk about mid-size SUVs, alam naman natin na may mga bigati na brands na maiisip po agad. Talaga naman, this is one of the most sought after na segment and it's very competitive. Kasi pag inisip nyo, it is a segment na hindi budget friendly pero sobra din naman ang value na binibigay nito. Because they are 7-seaters, ala ka marereklamo sa torque at power na kayang i-deliver nito. There's a lot of amenities and comfort that they offer. Malalaki silang sasakyan, but they also offer good fuel mileage for every liter. But they are diesels, whilst the GS8 is gas. Kaya dun palang alam mo na this offers a certain level of refinement. Kung sa seating sa aeroplano, kumbaga ito yung business class, dun ka nakaupo. Mararamdaman mo sa look at atmosphere pa lang, it's different. From the way it looks at sa kanyang pagka-personality compared sa ibang mid-size SUVs, but it looks proud and distinguished. Kung ito ang sasakyan mo, you will feel the same, and that is being a proud owner of a GS8. Ito yung mga tipo ng sasakyan na di mo nahayaang nakabilad sa labas, sa init at ulan. It looks so good na dapat may garahe siya na protektado siya from all the outside elements. And honestly, I like na gas siya, hindi siya diesel, para yung pagka-executive feel and look niya andun pa rin. Sa front fascia niya, noticeable yung agad yung headlights niya. 2 sets of LEDs na may pagka-crystal look siya. Kaya kada headlight, 2 set po yan. They call it Eyes of the Conqueror. Massive ang front grille na may unique design na may pagka V-shape po ang kanyang arrangement. GAC emblem andyan sa gitna at hanggang dito sa fog lights na may silver design accent sa lower bumper niya. Ang lakas na dating pag tinignan mo dito sa harap. Yung bang ang dating VIP, yung nasa loob ng sasakyan. Sa side profile naman, syempre dahil business class nga ito, it has to have big wheels. Malaki ang wheels niya. Though dito mostly talagang diretso lang ang design niya, it does not have that curvy design. But I do like the simple design accent sa lower part ng mga pinto. And looking at the back of this SUV, papansinin mo talaga yung taillights niya. They call it Ruby Diamond Taillight. Of course, expected po natin, may power liftgate po yan. And adding to a little sporty look, yung spoiler niya sa taas. Dual exhaust siya with the design na malapad mismo yung pinaka-exhaust. Ang ganda po. Matching siya sa pinaka-overall look. Overall sa design, I will say, it has a mature, defined. It has this thing that it is completely resolved, confident on what it has to offer. Para bang ang dating is, I am not here to chase anyone. I am here to lead. Something like that. Dito sa interior niya, you will see the presence of fine materials everywhere. Dito talaga mararamdaman mo na all out ang GAC sa kanilang binigay para sa sasakyan na to. All in the name of quality and comfort. It feels so relaxing inside the cabin of the GS8. Pang business class talaga ang atmosphere sa loob and with the added ambient lighting. Yung infotainment system niya dito sa gitna, it is quite big. So you will have this idea na this houses a lot of controls and settings for this SUV. This SUV is very high-tech at alam naman natin na almost everything here is electronically controlled. Well, ganun na talaga panahon ngayon and this is a premium vehicle. So you expect that controls and with the fit and finish inside and outside, talaga naman masasabi mong naka-level up talaga. Yung tipo na it was designed and made to impress you. And I feel GAC did a very good job sa interior ng GS8. Well, punta na tayo, I will say, is a critical part or selling point of the GAC GS8. Its engine, well, power po niya comes from a 2-liter gas engine in which they call it the Mega Wave Power. Technology po yan from GAC na ginawa nila to enhance performance, efficiency, and the cooling system mismo kasama po yan. At alam naman natin, it's probably one of the most important factors for an engine to last a very long time. Yung mapanatili mo sa tamang working temperature siya. Output niya is 248 horsepower at 5,250 RPM. Torque niya is 400 Newton meters of torque at 4,000 RPM. It runs on an 8-speed automatic transmission. Meron siyang 4x4 at 4x2 variant. The 4x4 variant has different driving modes. Yung 4x2 meron din po pero mas marami sa 4x4. And mostly yun lang pagkakaiba nila at yung pinaka-drivetrain na 4x2 at 4x4. Speaking of drive modes, meron siyang Eco, Comfort Sport, at para sa 4x4, meron siyang additional mud, snow, and sand. Pero I'm sure pag ganito ang sasakyan mo, di mo basta isa yung matinding off-roading at syempre, i-consider mo yung ground clearance na hindi naman ganun kataas. And again, it looks so elegant para iharabas sa mga rough terrain. Kung ito sasakyan mo, sasakyan mo yan. It's up to you on what you want to do with it. Well, talking about now the features. The GAC GS8 has 6 SRS airbags. Meron po siyang ABS traction control system, hill hold control, hill start assist, adaptive cruise control, traffic jam assist, auto emergency braking, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, forward collision warning, traffic sign recognition, at meron din siyang tire pressure monitoring. Panoramic glass roof, twin chrome exhaust, 20-inch po ang kanyang alloy wheels. Yan po ang size at nabanggit ko na nga kanina. Meron siyang power liftgate. At dito po sa GAC Motors Metro Walk here in Pasig, ito po ang price ng GS8 for both the 4x2 and 4x4 variants. Sa pagtatapos, kung nasa point ka na ng buhay mo na komportable ka na sa lahat na narating mo sa buhay, masaya ka sa kung ano ang meron ka, and you're not out there to prove something to the world or to anyone, like you're just so proud of yourself and humble at the same time, for me, if you're in that state in your life right now, this is the right car for you. Ito po ang 2025 GAC GS8. If you found some value on this video, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Drive safe. I'll see you on the next one.